and welcome. I'm Sylvia from Kitchen Creations, and on today's episode I am making an amazing air fried shrimp egg rolls. Here are my ingredients: egg roll wrappers, egg, coleslaw, ginger, minced garlic, sugar, shrimp, chicken broth, chopped green onions, horseradish, soy sauce, sesame seed oil, ketchup, and cooking spray. Without further ado, let's jump right into it. First, we're going to start by preparing our shrimp, and we're going to cut them into small bite pieces, just like so. Next, we're going to start with our sauce by adding soy sauce to our chicken broth and the sugar. And stir it together and make sure that the sugar has completely dissolved. After the sugar has completely dissolved, go ahead and set this aside. Over a medium heat in a large pan, add your oil. Then go in with your garlic and ginger. And we're going to cook these until they are nice and fragrant, so about 30 seconds. Now add your green onions. Cook the green onions for about 2 minutes. Now go in with your cabbage and carrots. Now stir fry these for about 3 to 4 minutes. After 3 minutes, go in with your shrimp. And your sauce. So now we're going to allow this to cook for about 5 minutes. And guys, if you made it this far, thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. I appreciate you guys. Now we're going to allow this to cook for about 5 minutes. So after 15 minutes, it is done cooling. So what I'm going to do is remove this liquid. Allow this to cook for about 5 minutes. After having our veggies and shrimp ready, grab one large egg and crack it in a bowl. And this is what we're going to use to close the egg rolls. After you are done whisking your egg, go ahead and set it aside. Now we are going to get our egg rolls ready. So grab one wrapper. Now spoon about 2 to 3 tablespoons of this veggies and shrimp. After adding your veggies and shrimp, go in with your egg wash. Brush all 4 corners. Fold both edges, just like so. Now go in and give it a roll. So it should look like something like this. Set it aside and continue this process for the remainders. This is how they're looking after I'm done wrapping them. So now what I'm going to do is preheat the air fryer to 390 Fahrenheit. While our air fryer is being preheated, I am going to make a spicy ketchup to go with the egg rolls. Add your ketchup to a bowl and your horseradish, and I'm using a creamy style. So you can add as much or as little of the horseradish to this. Depends how spicy you want this. So it should look like this. I don't like mine too spicy, so this is perfect for me. Now take your egg wash and brush all the egg rolls. Now that my air fryer is done preheating, go ahead and pull out the tray and spray the inside. Now carefully place your egg rolls inside the tray. And I am going to do about 3 at a time. Now place the tray in the air fryer. Now set your timer for 8 minutes. These egg rolls looks amazing. How about that taste test? So good. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys later.